Hello, this is Dee Damson, and today we are going to do super fun, super easy and fast painting of a fall leaf. And the first thing I'm going to do is sketch this basic shape and created a grid to make it easy with lines, a line for the middle and then a few lines for my points. And after that, after sketching it basically pointing sideways, directly sideways, I erased those sides and I made them pointing a little bit upwards. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get notifications for our future videos. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give us thumbs up. And if you have any questions, post them in the description below. And in the description, I will have all the materials that I am using with links to make it easy for you guys. But pretty much what I'm using is wet on wet technique. It is absolutely a beginner and a very fun painting to do and super easy thing if you need creating a fast card for somebody, visiting a friend or whatever. So I made the canvas wet, or just one side of the leaf wet, and then I dropped the colors that I wanted to see mixing. And the colors that are mixing beautifully together, orange and yellow and green. So pretty much that's why I have the green closer to the yellows and the orange and the yellow also bordering each other. The other part that I am doing with this leaf is adding a outline. And because we have wet surface for the leaf and then the canvas surrounding it is dry, the outline is not really spreading on the dry canvas. It's going just towards the watery parts and mixing with the other colors. Sometimes I drop in the color with the whole brush, loading the brush and just pushing it down in the area and just slightly moving it around. And sometimes I just add color with only the tip of my brush. But this painting is super easy. I love doing this really fast, easy paintings because it's very relaxing, and I hope you guys try it. And please let me know what happens with your leaves, or what questions you have, of course. I'm going to add a little bit of a shadow here so it looks a little bit more three-dimensional, and the colors of the shadow is magenta and ultramarine mixed together, or if you have purple, you can just use your purple. Even if you don't have magenta, you can try with red. Obviously, it's still going to create a beautiful purple. And I am running this on the edges of the bottom of the leaf, and then some of the edges on the top side, but only on the one side. You can see all of them are on the left side of the leaf, so all the shadows are on the left. Emphasizing a little bit more on the outlines, which makes that leaf pop up a little bit more. And also I am going to add a second part of a shadow, so you're going to see how that is going to help. Just adding a really quick background here so the surrounding area doesn't seem so plain. And then I'm going to apply the second part of the shadow, which I do a lot to my painting. So it's not just one shadow, it is combination of shadows. And you see how that second shadow really made it stand up. And I'm gonna add a little bit around to the bottom part of the leaf. It is drying, and now the leaf is a little bit dried up, so that paint is not spreading around, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Happy painting!